In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a photo in CapCut, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll go from opening the editor, uploading your image, adding text and drawings, all the way to downloading the final result. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to capcut.com/my-edit in your browser. This will take you directly to CapCut's online editor. Once the page loads, click Create New. CapCut will ask you to choose the size for your project, so select the photo size or canvas size that matches the image you want to edit. Choosing the right size at the start helps make sure your final design looks clean and properly framed. Now, look at the left side menu and click the Assets icon. This is where you can upload your own media, select the photo you want to edit from your device, and upload it into CapCut. Once the upload is complete, drag and drop the photo onto the canvas in the center of the screen. This places your image into the project, so you can start editing it right away. If you need to adjust the image, click on it and use the handles on the sides or corners. These handles let you resize the photo easily. You can make it larger, smaller, or fit it neatly into the frame depending on the look you want. Take your time here and position the image exactly how you want it, because a good layout makes the final design look much more professional. Next, if you want to add text to your photo, go to the bottom menu and click the T icon. A text box will appear on the canvas. Click inside the box and type whatever you want to add. This could be a caption, a title, a quote, a label, or any message you want placed on the image. After typing, you can usually move the text around and place it wherever it looks best on the photo. If you want to draw directly on the image, click the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. This gives you a drawing tool so you can sketch, underline, highlight, or add creative marks to your photo. It's a nice way to make edits feel more personal or artistic. You can use it for annotations, emphasis, or just to create a more custom design. CapCut also gives you the option to add shapes. To do that, click the shape icon next to the pencil tool. From there, you can choose different shapes and place them onto your photo. Shapes can be useful for callouts, design accents, borders, or overlay effects. You can resize and position them so they fit naturally into your overall layout. Once you're happy with your photo, go to the top right corner and click Download. This starts the export process. CapCut will bring up your export settings, so review them carefully and choose the options you want for the final file. Make sure the settings match the quality and format you need before moving on. After selecting your export settings, click Download again to finish the process. CapCut will now save your edited photo to your device. And that's it, you've successfully edited a photo in CapCut using the online editor. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.